Okay, children, class 9th. Today I will derive all the three equations of motion, that too graphically. So, our topic for today is graphical representation, graphical, graphically derivation of all three equations of motion. Graphically derivation of all the three equations of motion. So we will start with our first equation of motion. Children, first equation of motion. The formula for first equation of motion is V is equal to U plus AT. This thing we have to derive. Now, what is the meaning of U? What is the meaning of V? So, all of you must be knowing that U is what? Initial velocity. If we consider any object that is moving with initial velocity U, after time t, it acquires velocity v. Some velocity this is known as final velocity. After some time, the body acquires velocity v, and it acquires velocity by accelerating. The body uses acceleration and it increases its velocity. So let A be the acceleration. Now, children, because we have to derive graphically, we will take into consideration a graph of uniformly accelerated motion. Which graph? Velocity time graph. Velocity time graph of uniformly accelerated motion. Velocity time graph of uniformly accelerated motion. That is, all of you know that how does that graph comes out. Basically, it is drawn between velocity time, taking time along x-axis, velocity along y-axis. The graph comes out to be a line inclined to x-axis or the time axis. This thing I have made it clear in my earlier video. Okay, so this is graph of uniformly accelerated motion, and it is graph of velocity and time. So in this graph, let us consider some point A where the velocity of body was u, and after time t, that is this much is time t, velocity becomes v. That is, I will take different color here. This one, this v is this much. Whole thing is v here, and this much is u, and this much is time t. So this thing is clear to you. Graph should be very much clear to you that u is the initial velocity. Let A be the point where initial velocity is u, and after time t, B is the point where final velocity is v. Here we have taken A as our initial, means when we start noting the instant from which we start recording, or the time from which we start seeing that vehicle has a particular velocity, that is our initial velocity, say, from where we start observing. Okay, so we have taken that much of time, and at point B again we have stopped our meter, and we have seen for time t, u and v are the initial and final velocity. A is the acceleration, and as it is uniformly accelerated motion, so it will be a straight line. Now children, what was the importance of this graph? Hmm? This was in my earlier video. Importance of this graph. So importance of this graph means the slope gives acceleration. क्या देता है बताया था ना आप लोगों को, slope of this line gives acceleration, the inclination gives acceleration. Okay, so A is equal to slope, acceleration is equal to slope. And what is slope? It will be, suppose if we take point C, slope is perpendicular upon base BC upon AC. So A is equal to, what is children BC? It is V minus U. This whole thing is V, this much is U. So V minus U, this much is V minus U. This much V minus U. Okay. Now what is AC? AC is time, T. So if we cross multiply, we will get AT is equal to V minus U. Or you shift U in this direction, you will get V is equal to U plus AT. See children, this is our first equation of motion. It is the relation between velocities, acceleration and time when a body moves with uniform accelerated motion. Got it? This is very important derivation, the first, and with the help of these equation you can solve different numerical problems. Suppose I give you one problem, okay? I will give you one question. Tell me the answer. You tell me answer in my WhatsApp, okay? I will not tell you answer. I will give you some hint. Consider a body moving with initial velocity 20 meters per second and after time 40 seconds it acquires speed 80 meters per second. Then what is the acceleration of the body? Okay, so what is the acceleration, children? You have to find what? A. You have to find A. A big question mark. शुरू हो जाओ, जल्दी से करो और व्हाट्सएप पे आंसर दीजिएगा. दिस इज़, I want to know how many of you have understood.